Hi, and welcome to GreenFolder's tutorial on how to edit documents within your attachments. So right now I'm on your home screen, and how you get into your folder is by looking under your Folders tab or your Favorites tab and then just double clicking into a folder. So we are going to go into our attachments within this folder to be able to see if we can edit some documents. I currently do not have any documents within this folder, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few documents to be able to display what we would like to do as far as editing documents within a GreenFolders folder. We're going to go ahead and add those. You then index your documents to make sure that they're organized within your folders. You can change the attachment names by typing within here, and then you go ahead and push add. So once these are added into your attachments, you're able to actually do a lot with your documents within these attachments. So as you can see, we have one document that has around 37 pages in it, which is a lot. You can drag and drop this to be able to view the pages. You can change the size to be able to view all of the pages bigger, or if you want them to be small thumbnails so you can see them all, you can actually change that size. So one thing that you can do within GreenFolders is you can actually create new documents straight out of GreenFolders. So for example, if you only needed pages 1, 5, and 9 to be within a new document, you can actually click on page 1, hold the control key, click page 5, and then click page 9 to select all three of those. And then what you do is you right mouse click, and that is where you are able to copy to a new attachment. So then we can do copy to a new attachment, and the same index box pops up. So you'll be able to add your labels to it, you'll be able to change the attachment type, and then you'll be able to say merged or new document. So then you just add it, and as you can see right over here under letter, we have our new document. So when I go and click on this, those 3 pages are then added into this document. So this is really helpful when you scan something in and maybe it added too many pages, or you just want to be able to create a new attachment out of that document that only contains certain pages. You can do that straight from GreenFolders. Another really great thing that you can do is maybe you made a mistake and scanned in 2 different documents that are supposed to be one document. So right here we have one page within this document. So let's say that this document is supposed to be merged with the new document. So what you can do is hold the control key again and then click the documents that need to be merged together. So as you can see, I have highlighted the document and the new document, and then you right mouse click and you're able to merge right up here. So once you merge, it says merging attachments, and then you can decide what you would like to merge together. So let's say you have annotations, notes, anything like that, you're able to merge all of those. So I'm going to merge everything, and then once again it pulls up the organization index box for you to then index your new attachment. I'm going to index it, add an attachment name, merged document, and then go ahead and add, and as you can see, we now have the merged document. You can also tell that the new document and the document that we merged together are still there. So you are able to move those to your trash if you have trash under your attachment types, or if you have the privilege of being able to delete, you are then welcome to delete, or you're able to keep all of those documents within this territory. Some other really great things that you can do within GreenFolders within your attachments is sometimes you scan in a document and you're unable to move it around because you scanned it in and maybe a page is out of place. So just like you would, we have this lovely stapler up here. So right now the document is stapled, so we're not able to move the pages around. But when we unstaple the document, we can then move these pages to wherever they're supposed to be. So you can move them around and reorganize. And then once you're done reorganizing, just go ahead and staple. Some other really great things that you can do from within the Green Folders tab is you can actually email documents straight out of Green Folders. So let's say you needed to send a contract to somebody and all they needed was the first page and the last page where the signature is. You can go ahead and click those pages by once again clicking on the first page and then holding the control key on your keyboard and clicking on the last page. Once you do that, you right mouse click and then you can share. And then this little index box pops up called Share Attachments, and that's where you're able to push email. You can do this with any type of document within Green Folders, and it will automatically create the PDF within your attachments for you to be able to add the information and send quickly. Also, you are able to add emails into Green Folders. As you can see, I have something over here that has a little Outlook icon next to it. You're able to add full emails, including all of the correspondence within an email and the attachments within that email as well, straight into Green Folders. How you do that is you drag straight from your Outlook on your desktop into this white area within Green Folders to be able to house that within your folder. So as you can see, I pulled up the Outlook, and on this Outlook has all the attachments that were part of this email correspondence as well as the written correspondence in the email. So if somebody wanted to come in here and actually forward this same exact email on to somebody, they can actually come in and push forward, and it will not be coming from Paige, it will actually be coming from the person who is forwarding this attachment. So this is really great. Make sure you go ahead and delete anything that you don't need and edit the email to your liking as well as adding the information to who you're sending it to. So these are a few different things that you can do with attaching attachments. Be sure to play around with it and see all the different capabilities. Remember, right mouse click is your favorite action within attachments. It shows all of the different things that you can do, such as moving it to, copying it to, open with. Open with is a really great one as well. I'll demonstrate this. So let's say you needed to compare two documents. So you have this document that you're looking through, and then you need to compare this new document as well. You can say open with preview window, and then you're able to preview two different documents side by side to be able to make sure that you have the information that you need within the document that you're looking at. You can also be able to play around with this one as this preview document is open. The open with is really great. There's a few different ways. You can open with an editable window. So this way you're then able to look at a document and look at another document and be able to edit both of them simultaneously. So right mouse click is always your favorite thing to be able to share, move, copy, open with. You can even compress documents to zip files if you have really large documents to be able to send out and everything like that. So this is a little tutorial on just different types of things that can happen within attachments and ways that you can right mouse click to be able to do lots of fun things within your documents. If you need any more support as far as Green Folders goes, please reach out to our Green Folders team at TitleIO support@titleio.com and they'll be able to help you with all of your Green Folders needs.